I guess me run up the shop because we don't have much work.
Alright, later.
Oh! Sorry, babes. Later.
I tried assuming that she has forgiven me enough to come around or call me or anything.
Jeffrey, that's your mother. You are very pain.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
So I'm taking care of things on this side. Don't worry about your father. He'll be with you.
Well, I mean, you can't tell me not to worry, but I try not to worry too much about the two of you. So I'm trusting that you'll take care of yourself, take care of him, and I'll just hold things down out here. Try to take care of myself or stuff until you get here.
Okay, I'll see you soon.
Alright.
I'll call you when I reach.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Hello, Tiffany.
I was just talking about you.
Talking about me? With who?
With Uncle Carlton.
You told Uncle Carlton I'm alive?
Mom, I needed to talk to somebody, and Uncle Carlton has been very supportive since you left me. I don't necessarily talk to Karim anymore. I didn't have a choice.
You were the one who said that you didn't want me in your life anymore, Tiffany.
Given the circumstances, Mom, can you blame me?
Can you blame me? I tried to save you. You're the reason we were in the mess in the first place.
So it's my fault now.
I'm not blaming you, Tiffany. I'm just saying.
Sounds very much like
Listen, I didn't come here to fight.
So why did you come here?
Isn't it obvious, Tiffany? I miss you. I miss my daughter. And I miss our relationship.
I miss you too.
If it's any consolation, I'm sorry for what happened. I didn't mean to hurt you, Tiffany. And I know I did. And for that, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry too, Mom. As you mentioned, it's really based on my actions that caused all of this. I kind of started all of this, so I guess we can try to move past this.
This makes me happy.
So, but Mom, are you comfortable walking up and down on the road like that?
Of course.
Your face on everything?
No, I wear a mask. And I had my shades on. That don't prevent me from looking good.
Mom, this is not the movies, you
I'm
know,
just
people
saying.
can still recognize you.
I'm just saying.
Okay.
By the way, who is your father?
Actually, Uncle Carlton said he's not doing too good. He's progressing a little bit, but outside of that, there's not much improvement.
Everything that I've done was really and truly to protect you, Tiffany. I'm not gonna lie that most of the decisions that I've made affected you and our lives. And most importantly, I regret some of the damage that I've done, especially to your father. But my back was against the wall when it comes on to Marcus. And I just wanted to breathe, you know?
Listen to my heart, it's always starting a fire. Can't put it out now. Can't put it out now, yeah. Do whatever feels good. Do whatever feels good, honey. Oh, it's like a Sunday.